Hello guys, welcome to my new video. I woke up just a few minutes ago and I came here to farming work. Farming life is not a cakewalk. It is working very hard. But I don't like this work, but I having to do it. So I am removing paddy plant. So I have to remove quickly, otherwise it will be very tall the height, so it is perfect for seeding. You can come and help us. I will pay your salary one day 500 rupees and 2 days 1000 rupees. If you have need to money, so you can come and help us. You can remove like this, and after that you will be fold like this. I can keep it backside.